So I have a speed tap on the motor. Red speed tap seems to be going out on us. It was between the circuit board and the blower motor, and in this case we have a bad blower motor speed tap. I will recommend replacing that in the near future. For a temporary repair, I went ahead and took that red wire off and parked it, and then I put the yellow one, that's the next highest speed or the next lowest speed next to red. So temporary fix will be completed, and we'll go ahead and put in a recommendation for a fan replacement as well.